solving some equations, and here we're going to use something called the square root property. So in the first problem it says u squared equals 25, and they ask us to solve the equation. So we're going to be solving for u. Whoops. We're going to be solving for whoops. We're going to be solving for u. And when you take a square root, the square root of 25 is 5. But when you use the square root property, the correct answer to this is actually both positive 5 and negative 5. So here the answer will be u equals negative 5 or 5. Okay, going to the next one, v squared is 36. So what numbers are the square roots, in some sense, of 36? What numbers do you multiply by themselves to get 36? Well, there's two of them, right? One of them is negative 6. And what is the other one? It is 6. Okay, so now pause the video, try the last one on your own. Gave you a little bit of a wrinkle here, so assuming you paused it and tried it, let's see if you got the right answer. This one's a little bit sneaky because what is the square root of negative 49? Well, the square root of negative 49 doesn't exist in the real world, right? If you know imaginary numbers, this ends up being an imaginary number, but this is not in the context of the problem here. So if you're trying to find when x squared equals negative 49, this doesn't happen, so there's no real solutions to this particular problem because you can't do a square root of a negative number in the real world.